Welcome everybody. Sorry, I had the stream up. Had to get the stream ready. This is the first episode of rebuilding the Wagner college team. They are part of the NEC conference. We're going to be poaching that New York talent. I've always loved this game, NCAA 10. It's very fun. It's one of my favorite NCAA basketball games. College Hoops 2K8 is smooth, but you have to it has very team reliant. This one you could actually cook up iso ball, stuff like that. And I'm wearing a suit because you gotta look like the job that you want. You know what I mean? So to start new dynasty, I've already won 5 national titles. I've been here, I've been there, I've been everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So Coach Gel. I might as well have a suit too, cause I'm wearing a suit now. Let's at least get the setup of our Wagner squad here up and ready. Suit 12. Now I wear a black suit. Coach model. We'll be coaching the Hispanic. This is us. Joe Alba. Coach Joe Alba. Coaching contracts on any team we're gonna have to do any team I choose, cause that way they're not gonna give me the Wagner's team, and I already named them. So here, a Wagner starting squad. Let's go. NEC. Wagner. This is us right here. They actually played pretty good last season, but I want to because in this game you could go to different conferences and shit like that. I want to make sure. I want to at least go to the Big East with this squad. Green team, Staten Island, New York. Let's get it, boys. Dynasty length, still wild. We're not gonna play this much, but let's just make sure that just in case simulation injuries on normal on game class. Okay. Rules 10 minutes. Yep. Travel, yep. Gameplay all conference. I'm pretty sure I went with the normal settings for overhead. Maybe I should put this down. I don't know. We will see as we go. Oh shit. Ready the Anaheim Classic? Alright, I'll take it. I kind of forgot how to play this game a little bit. But it's okay. Season preview. Overall, we're a C. Overall. Got no recruits up in this joint. Starters look semi-nice. Coach, which is me, B+. Alright. Team preview. 265. We need a center, power forward. See, that's the thing about this game. You dead ass gotta keep track of who's who and how many players you have. Chris Martin, sophomore, 68 overall. You think if I redshirt him, he don't want to leave. Redshirt somebody up in this joint. Chris Martin is a sophomore. You could get him to 70 for sure. Actually, I'm pretty sure it tells you. Doesn't this shit tell you? But it's gonna want me to redshirt somebody to start off. Low-key want to redshirt Chris Martin. And then we'll rock out with one of these trasher. Are we gonna attract talent that way? We can push this guy up. PG. He's not that bad compared to him. Alright, we can do that. Alright. Chris Martin, we're gonna redshirt you, brother. Because I need you for the future. How many small forwards you got? We got a lot of small forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn. 5. 5 small forwards. Yeah. Brother, you gonna start. You coming off the bench. We're gonna have to cut somebody here. Let's see. 6'7", 6'7", and a 6'5" right here. Pass first. These guys are like pretty much. No way they have all identical stats. That's actually hilarious. That's funny. Okay, we're just gonna have to go with whoever we like more. Philip, I guess. Philip stays on the team. And we don't have any backup PFs. Oh, we have. Ah, damn. There you go. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. All right. Customize schedule. Clemson is our first game. Oh boy. Oh boy. Preseason training. How do I want to train these boys? Alright, we're gonna be like shooting. I mean, they're not gonna improve shooting that much in one season. But this is the identity of the squad I want to have. Go here. Go here. Alright. And then we'll go. Yeah, we'll go like that. Boom. Okay. Oh, that's for my backcourt. For my forwards. Oh, we want them to be good on offense and defense. Some of this. Let's do that. Oh, players. Yeah, just focus on the reserves. And now we're set. Recruiting Central. I low-key forgot how to recruit in this game. A little bit. Current players got 2 from New York. Recruiting challenge. Oh, okay, so this is what I gotta do to do the certain shits. Okay, 2-star. Okay. Okay. Recruiting database. Oh, wait. What? Shortlist, pipeline, all recruits, and then sort. Position breakdown. This is what we need. So we for sure, we need to land us a big time center. And if you know about me, anything about me, I developed them centers top notch. And another thing would be probably, because I'm going to develop maybe a small forward too. Let's get us a center, small forward, power forward out here. Highest, power forward. Who's this guy? 3-star? You want to come to us? 6'10"? Jason Crawford. Defense B-, Matthew Owens. But Jason Crawford looks better overall. Maybe we'll get a small forward on the back end. Tyson Chambers. Tyson Chambers looks nice. Small forward wants to come to our school. Yeah, niggas whack. Yeah. Oh, I just keep going? Oh, okay. Okay, that's my fault. I forgot. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot how to do this a little bit. But we will learn with time. I'm playing this video. I'm gonna be watching the stream while you're watching my stream. Make sure to talk high. Should we just have the small forward here just guys, shooting guard, 16 shooting guard. Now we start our season. Start our season, boys. So a lot of NBA players are actually in this game. You got Kentucky with John Wall. Damn. Oh, already got Mason. Lateef Rivers. Yeah, I want him to start. So Lateef. To be honest, but sorry. But that's how the cookie crumble. whoever was managing this team before I got here, Lord have mercy. You should look at the playbook this whole first season because these guys suck. We just need to get talent here first and then worry about what comes next. Maybe we play one of the games, but let's see. Oh yeah, we definitely gotta play that Clemson game. All right, cool. All right, we did it. Database, short list. Damn. Doug Anthony, why does he want to come here so bad? Dougie. Something about you. Let's do some internet research on you, brother. And I'm gonna watch a game. Email him, give him that, give him a package. If we get a 3-star first season, looking pretty, boss. If we get a 3-star. Let's get us our center too. Where's our centers at? Highest. Boom. Theo Givens. We're gonna have 2 dreadlock brothers on the Wagner squad. We're gonna do some research on these guys, figure out where I'm going. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's see what's up there. 6'10". Boom. Okay, I think can we can't offer him a scholarship so early. 6'7" shooter. I might as well look at him if he likes us, you know what I mean? Then sim a little bit. Alright. When you sim in this game, guys, pro tip, you gotta do it week by week because stuff can change drastically week by week. Okay, let's check our recruiting again. Central database. Oh, what? Oh, that's why I was about to say. Did they already poach all my guys? Okay, highest. Damn. What? Come to Moscow. Ooh. Theo. He's from New York, so. Oh yeah, so it's still, you see, when there's like that crossed out, it means that your actions haven't been done yet, so you probably need to wait another week. I'll send to the Clemson game, and then start recording that. Send to the Clemson game. Oh, no. We're probably going to sim most of the season, but it's always fun to play that first game to see what your team looks like, and also so I can learn the controls, because I forgot how to play this. Alright, boys. First game of the season. Clemson versus the Wagner Seahawks. Jesus Christ. Our first game of the first dynasty, first season. Let's go. You guys see us. We're D's everywhere. It's looking tough. But we're going to send the rest of the season, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, probably, because looking bad. Okay, get it. We're half court, too. That's a problem. We shouldn't be half court. Game plan real quick. Coach's game plan. Coach report card. Midnight plays. Team style selection. Balanced. Let's do up tempo. Maybe we can recruit some athletes here. Alright. Let's get it, boys. First game of our dynasty. We got the green jersey, Clemson. Damn! That boy nasty. We're gonna get shit on. We are gonna get destroyed. How do you turbo is it? Okay, cool. First game on CBS. Oh, I like our home court. Our home court's nasty. Okay, I can get comfortable here. center 55. I don't know who that is, but maybe he's a real life demon. I would have named the whole everybody, but I'm not doing that. Maybe if I mod it one day. And sorry for the graphical glitches, y'all. If y'all see them on the screen. Capitalize on free throws. Keep their stars in check. We're not going to do any of that. Okay. Oh my. Oh my god. What's up? Wait. How are you? So what? Toss that in. Oh. What the? Okay, there you go. Do the frame again. Damn. Oh, dropped it. First three of the series. First three of the series. Who's texting me? Oh, double team. Oh yeah. Like, way to work, guys. Yup. All right. Let's see. What's up, boy? Outside. How you do the motion offense? Oh, there you go. That's what you do. Oh! You do a lot with R1. My bad. There is right now on stream, Jaylen Brown for Paul George. Live reaction. Jaylen Brown, my favorite player in the league. That's horrible. 2 first-round picks, and I guess that's what Brad Stevens wanted. Holy crap! Out here live. Holy shit. Oh, okay, that's how you do that. You do defense though. Alright. Ain't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, crap. Lord have let's not make any mistakes like Brad Stevens and trade Jaylen Brown to our biggest rival, guys. Cause Jesus Christ, what the hell is that? What is even basketball now? Oh, good shit. Should I be playing on tougher difficulty? I'm gonna have to check afterwards. I think we'll adjust it. Oh my god, that's my fault. I'm forgetting. Oh my god. Am I supposed to be this bad? Shit, we're just having a good game. I might have to up the difficulty. Definitely, if I win, it's definitely not that difficulty. Give me that. Oh, let's stop doing that. Yeah, they already tagged me and everything. Oh my. Brad Stevens really got baited by the internet. Holy. Oh man. Oh no. Oh. Motion offense. I don't know what the hell Brad Stevens is doing. That's one of the worst shits ever. What the hell? Oh my god, Henry goaltended here. Oh man. Oh damn, why is it chopping like that? Yeah, shit. Horrible trade. Horrible trade. Alright, that we just got lucky early on. That's what happened. We were hitting threes early. Kind of gotta see what everybody's about in this team because I don't even know. Oh man. Oh my god, I gotta stop doing that. Oh, that's deep. I can't believe on my first stream, Brad really traded Jaylen Brown. That's crazy. What are the odds? Oh my god. Yeah, this team we have here, guys, can be a lot of work. Oh, okay. I might have to change the controls back because. Oh. Oh! Latif Rivers came into the game and did all that. sucks. You just got lucky early on with the shots. It's yeah, they do said defense. Oh, it sucks. Okay. Yo, is that a different play? Yeah, there you go. Oh man, we're getting stomped right here. Oh, 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 fudge. Some of it's definitely my fault, but I forgot to play this somewhat. But I did. How do you? No, that's not it. This. No. How do you do the plays? Oh. Oh, for a personal foul. What the hell? Oh, you fouled the Chief? Oh yeah, by the way, these are all their real names, so you know these people in real life. Oh! Bang! Oh shit! Alright, it just looks so pretty. Are you, okay, there we go. More plays. Go 2-3. We got 2-3 on there. Yeah, what's up? What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Damn! Okay, yep, let's not run that. They actually got shooters. Man's better. Skirt. Hey. Oh! Oh! Oh, man. Getting sloshed and doshed here. Caca. Oh man. Guys, look to back cut. Yeah, coach, ain't nobody doing that. They got us locked down, sir. Yeah. Oh man. Just look to back cut right there. Got robbed on. Give me that. Damn. That's tough. That's tough, boys. First half, 25-11. We need some more shooters on this team. Better ball handler, perhaps. Next year we're gonna have some rebounders, so we'll be able to take more shots out the rebound, but what the hell? Oh my god, I hate this bullshit, man. To where we are now. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna get stomped out this game. But hey guys, we're gonna go out. We are the true champions though. Oh, come on. Oh man. Coach, I know we need back cuts, but look, brother. Look, brother. Oh, fudge, man. They got this locked down, sir. Oh. Damn. Some balls. Oh my God, he's on a heater. Oh damn. Oh shit! Oh! Did that completely by accident, but that was nasty. Oh yeah. Wait. Okay, that's what I'm supposed to do. Food. Yeah. Okay. Food. So what? Midi. Ah, that look pretty. That's gonna be our bread and butter in the future, boy. That little play right there. Ah! Getting destroyed. We are the Seahawks. Oh, so what? What you got? Oh! Snatch back in your mouth. No! Bro. There we go. Oop. Over those. Oh, come on. Oh, damn. Through the lane. That was nasty. 6 minutes left in this game. I mean, this. Oh! To be honest, there's a little bit more positives to take away than I thought with our team. I think this team could actually low-key compete. I can see why they might have had a winning record in their conference last season. But we might have to lose a little bit more this season just to get where we need to be at for the future. We need to win a title in this joint. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, right there. Oh! He smoked the layup. He smoked the layup. Give me that. Yes. Snatch. Midi. Oh, damn. Give me that. Harris. Oh, man. Oh, man. What a save, though. Like, yo, think, bro, think. Rock is like, think, bro. Skirt. Oh, well. Oh, get that Rock. Ora. Oh, Elwell is on a. So Elwell's gonna be a little secret dude. He's gonna like this season, Elwell. You gonna like this season, Elwell. I'm low-key gonna track the small forwards through his play because I'm splashing with him right now. But he's not gonna be like that every game, of course. But shoot. Oh, right there. Oh, damn, that was a bad pass. Get it. Pass it up. Ooch. Hey. Oh, come on, cuz. Good attempt though. There you go, the dagger. That's from deep too. Oh, fudge it. A lot of people be sleeping on this game, seeing as this and that. I like the gameplay. Look at the gameplay. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, that's why right here. Oh well. Oh man. Oh, we really about to come. We might as well really try on these folk. Might as well already try on these dudes. For real. That's off. Good box out, guard. Oh no. Oh damn. Yeah, no way, Orochi smoked that. Oh man, that's game over. It's a good first game. Good first game. We cut it down. This team fights. That's all we need to know with our guys. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, with 11. Damn! I thought they just walked in, just smacked the 3 in our face. Oh my god. And oh, we actually, if we rebounded with Clemson, we might be looking better than that. We could rebound. Oh, Spiller. 2 minutes to go. Oh, splash. Zeski. Boy. Oh. Oh! That was a white chocolate move. That's all it was. Look. Oh, damn. Hell no. Well, that's the first game of the season. Probably going to send the rest of these before I... Oh, damn. Before I ruin these dudes' whole lives. And I get fired, so... oh, and one? Okay. I like our steeds. Our jerseys are nasty. Oh, wait, a little bit right here. Our jerseys are pretty nasty. I fucks with them. Oh, that's off too. Damn. Jesus. Alright, it's GG's, boys. Good first game. Getting with the clock roll out here. We're gonna sim the rest of the season.